What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the latest block blast glitches. You'll learn how to utilize these glitches to enhance your gameplay and potentially boost your scores. Keep in mind that glitches may be patched in future updates, so use them while they last. Familiarize yourself with what glitches are and how they can affect your gameplay. Glitches are unexpected behavior or bugs that may allow you to exploit the game for better performance or funny outcomes. Watch out for any major updates, as this can fix existing glitches. The moves are infinite move glitch, which is when you successfully tap multiple blocks, the game does not register all the moves, which is why it allows you to get extra moves without using any. I'll show you how. As you can see in the video, I will tap multiple blocks that I'm going to drag. The game may not count some of your block taps, which gives you more moves than it is displayed. The other one is undo by closing the game and reopening it. I'll show you how. If I drag this block, but I will make a wrong move, immediately close the app before the move is registered, and then reopen it. You may find your last move before you make a wrong move in a black plus. This move may take time to practice. By following this tutorial, you should have a solid understanding of how to find and utilize block blast glitches to enhance your gameplay. Remember to stay updated on game changes, as glitches can be fixed in subsequent updates. Enjoy experimenting with the game, and don't forget to share your findings with the community. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.